everyone. In our today's session, I am going to teach you a revision of a standing line, sleeping line and a slanting line. First of all, I would like to say that give your child pencil to write. If it's possible, then use this triangular pencil. Because of its triangular shape, that is easier for the child to hold a pencil properly. Now we are moving forward to the writing part. When child does the lines, standing, sleeping and slanting lines in a maths, one thing that you have to tell your child to leave one block. Teach your child to leave one block. This is a standing line, this is a sleeping line and this is a slanting line. And these are the tracing part for the standing, sleeping and slanting line. Give your child more and more practice on a tracing part. Now, the child has to go down for the standing line. Go down for the standing line. And now for the sleeping line, child has to go from right to left. The child should write in between the block. And for the slanting line, the child has to go from one corner to another corner, like this. After the tracing part, we can move forward to the dots. Here I am making a dots for the standing line. The child has to join the dots like this. Parents, you need to pay attention on a child formation and a neatness. For the sleeping line, here I am making a dots. The child has to go from right to left. And for the slanting line, here I am making a dots for this corner and opposite of a corner, like this. Now the child has to join the dots for the slanting lines. If required, you can hold your child hand. You can also help your child to make these lines. One another thing you can use to recognize the standing, sleeping and slanting line in a fun way, you can use the ice cream sticks and tell your child to make a standing and a sleeping line with the help of these sticks. That will be a fun activity for your child. Thank you so much. Hope the concept is clear to you. This is your worksheet for the standing, sleeping and slanting line. Child to trace and draw the lines and help the child if required in tracing and drawing lines. Ensure correct direction while tracing and drawing. The child has to complete the worksheets with the instructions I have given.